In this video, we're going to go over the 6 modules that are in this course. This is going to be a very quick video where we're going over the 6 sections within this course. We're going to go over each one individually, and then we're going to go over some key factors, some key elements that we're going to be discussing within each section. So let's go right ahead and jump in here. So the very first section here, this is going to be the foundations. We're going to go over how to rewire your brain for maximum success. We have an entire lesson that goes into your mindset, because your mindset's going to be your navigation. It's going to be one of the most important things that you have, not only for this course, but for your entire life. If you don't have the right mindset, then it's going to be very difficult for you to be able to learn all these skills and then be able to take action on what you learn, because learning these skills isn't that difficult, but it's going out there in the real world and taking action, messing up, right, falling on your face, and then being able to learn from those mistakes and then being able to modify and adjust your actions accordingly. And then we're going to go over setting up your website. We have an entire free website that you're going to be able to get as a free template. And then I'm going to show you how to set up your email, how to install WordPress. We're going to go over the different agency tools, agency starter kit, everything that you're going to need to get your agency up and running. And then we're going to go over your daily productivity tool. I have an entire template that I've spent hours upon hours building for you that I use in my daily productivity, so that I can keep track of all my different projects, my to-do list, my CRM for my clients, everything that has to do with being productive, being able to manage your life and your time, all your projects, your clients, is going to be all in one place. And this tool in and of itself, and the template that I have that you're going to get access to, is probably worth more than you paid for this entire course. And the tool is absolutely free. So I'm going to set you up with that. And then at the end of each section, we're going to have a step-by-step action plan that's going to detail exactly what you need to do to get off and running within that section, right? Because a lot of courses out there will just give you information, they'll tell you what to do, but they won't give you a step-by-step action plan that details, hey, step 1, do this, step 2, do this, step 3, do this and that, right? And so after each section, we're going to cover an entire step-by-step action plan that allows you to implement on everything that you learned and then be able to execute as quickly, as efficiently as possible. And then section number 2, this is your lead generation machine. Now this is where we have a ton of different ways that we're going to be able to go out and get clients. We have organic methods. We have a couple paid methods. For the majority here, it's going to be free organic methods that you can use to get clients at scale. We're going to go over the client acquisition system from A to Z, exactly what you do at step 1 when you first communicate, the kind of messages that you want to send to your prospects, how to communicate with them effectively so that you can get them interested and respond back to our messages. Because one of the most important things to have when you're reaching out to businesses is an offer, right? A hook that gets them interested in what you have to offer. And so we go over the best niches to target, 5 different prospecting methods, and then a ton of email templates that are proven to generate results. All you have to do is plug and play and be able to start generating some leads, some appointments, and then we have a step-by-step action plan so that you can take action on what you learned and start generating some leads and some appointments. And then number 3, this is where we go over sales mastery. So we're going to walk through how to close clients on 3, 6, and even 12-month contracts. And then we're going to go over sales objection mastery, where we go over several different ways that you can handle any type of objection that is thrown your way. And then we go over the sales fundamentals, the discovery script, and then the sales presentation, and how to collect payments, how to onboard clients, which is really one of the most important factors here, because after you get a client, right, if you're not onboarding them correctly, if you're not setting up the right expectations and using the right type of framing, then you're going to get a lot of clients in the door, but you're not going to onboard them properly because you haven't set the right expectations up front. This is one of the most important things here, where I've seen that a lot of programs out there that I've gone through and that I've taken do not handle this. I give you templates, right? Email templates that you can use to send off to your clients right after they pay, so that you can set up your actual relationship the right way so they can know what to expect from you and what you can expect from working with them. And then being able to set up the clients on a monthly reoccurring payment system that takes care of the payments without you having to do anything. This is very important here. When you're signing a client, you not only want to send them over an invoice, you want to send them over automated billing, so that each month everything is being billed at the same date, right? Same time, automatically. And then we go through a step-by-step action plan that walks you through your next steps and how to execute on everything that you learned. And then in section 4, this is where we go over the Google Ads mastery, how to create profitable Google Ads from A to Z. And then I'm going to walk you step by step how to install the Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. The Google Tag Manager is just like the Facebook Pixel that tracks all the different key metrics, key data points, so that you want to install this on your landing pages, on your website, and also your Google Analytics, so that you can keep track of the data, keep track of the metrics, and then be able to create different remarketing campaigns from the data that's collected from that tag manager. And then we're going to go over the copywriting mastery for the Google Ads. So this is where we're walking through several different types of ad copy that you can use for your Google Ads. We're going to walk through different formulas, different frameworks, different structure that you can use to create profitable Google Ads. And then finally, 5 plug and play ads and funnels that you're going to be able to use right away. All you have to do is set up the ads and also set up the landing pages. Everything is ready to go for you to be able to plug and play. And then we have the step-by-step action plan, right? This is where I walk you through exactly what you need to do to be able to execute, take action on, and implement everything that you've learned in this particular module. And then section 5, this is the Facebook ads mastery. This is where we're going to walk through how to create profitable Facebook ads from scratch. I'm going to walk you through how to set everything up, how to create different audiences, how to install the pixel, how we can use it to create retargeting audiences, create custom audiences, and really the power that this pixel has and how we can use it best to our advantage. And then we go over the Facebook ads copywriting mastery. We go over several different types of formulas and frameworks that you can use literally to just plug and play your own ad copy for your clients and be able to easily create highly converting Facebook ads from scratch. And then for the Facebook ads, we also have 5 plug and play ads and funnels that you're going to be able to use right away. And then we're going to go over the step-by-step action plan, right? How to easily take action on everything that you learned. And then finally, number 6, this is the service delivery. And this is where we go over the 2 different ways that you can deliver your services. So the first way is going to be you doing it yourself and what that entails, how that works as far as you setting everything up on your own. And then you're going to have the skills and the resources, right? The tools by going through this course so that you can do the ads yourself, or you can use a white label agency that I recommend to actually fulfill all the services for you, where all you're doing is bringing clients in the door and then you're passing them off to your white label agency. And then all you got to do is manage them and make sure that you are providing great customer service, right? And then the white label agency will take care of the results for you. So I'm going to go over the pros and cons of each. I'm going to go over how to properly deliver your services, how to use different reporting platforms, different reporting tools, and then finally a step-by-step action plan. So this is the Digital Marketing Agency Elite Consultants Program in a nutshell. I'm super excited for you to get started, and we'll see you on the other side.